Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video with the usual my toenails. So today we're going to remove this for last week. We're gonna remove this design that we did last week and then put another design. So we're not gonna do like a lot of stuff like during the application. No, we're just going to file this off and then just put another design. I'm back and I removed all the previous design. So now I didn't like the application on the cuticle area for the small nails, so I decided to I decided to file them off using this ceramic bead medium grit. So I'm just gonna file them off, and then I'm not gonna file like 100% of it. I'm gonna file maybe 90%. I don't want to file my natural nails. I'm just protecting my natural nails at this point. So I'm going to file off and then make it smooth. Use the sanding bands, everything, and then make it smooth, and then continue with my design for the day. Now I'm going to apply the base coat. This is crucial for adhesion and longevity. So I'm going to make sure that I cure under the lamp for 60 seconds. For the design, I decided to go with the heart design. I'm gonna use size 11 liner brush for this design, so every heart I cure. not easy to draw on your toenails. Like, the feet are far from your face, so like it's so difficult to draw on your toenails. Like, look where my toenails is right now. So apologies for this. So I did 2 coats on the heart design because one, it was not good, so I decided to go with another coat just to make it look nicer. I'm going to seal my design with this glossy top coat is a rubber gel. I'm gonna apply the cuticle oil and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. Bye bye.